Today we are at Canaveral National Seashore, and the SeaWorld Animal Rescue Team just returned 17 sea turtles to their natural environment. The 15 juvenile Kemp's Ridley sea turtles returned today were originally rescued up in Massachusetts during a cold stunning event in late last year. These 15 turtles, aside from being cold stunned, also suffered from pneumonia. Upon arriving at SeaWorld, the animals get a full veterinary exam. We might give them fluids to help with their hydration. We'll give them medications to prevent any infections and help treat that pneumonia that they were suffering from. Our animal rescue program would not be possible without several volunteer groups and state agencies. If you see a sick or injured sea turtle on the beaches or in the water, please contact Florida Fish and Wildlife. They have an alert hotline that you can call and report the sea turtle. They'll have an authorized individual come assess the animal, see if it needs rehabilitation, and get it the proper care it needs.